Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, part of this question was answered yesterday when I gave the ministerial statement. But as we know, because these initiatives are being rolled out and teams are going out on a daily basis, the latest update as of 16th May, Madam Speaker, is the government has spent $9.937 million on e-transport care, assisting 188,978 adults and 17,821 students. $30.592 million on the homes care, assisting 25,233 households. $17.23 million on farms care, assisting 35,370 farmers. And $1.136 million on welfare care, assisting 13,161 social welfare recipients. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.